What up, mi gente? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of the AirPods 4th generation. I'm doing a voiceover because the first time I recorded it, my microphone wasn't connected. But here's me showing the headphones, whatever. Brand new box, real nice, pretty. I haven't taken the sticker off. This is me just getting it. I came home straight to do the unboxing. I went to the mall and picked it up. I ordered it first, I paid for it, and then I went to pick it up. But let's get to it. Let me start taking off these little stickers off here. It's so satisfying. So let's do it together. When you take those stickers off, it's just like, wow, you got something brand new. I was gonna buy it used, but I didn't. I ended up just buying new, but here's me peeling that one off. It's satisfying. Brand new box. Anyways, it was time for me to upgrade, so I had to get me a brand new headphones. My old ones, they're old and broken and whatnot. You'll see them, compare them. But here's me in the unboxing. That's the AirPod. That's the box. There's the paperwork right there. It comes with it. Normal paperwork. It's just, routine that they send. Just instructions on how to use it. Very helpful. I actually read it afterwards because I need to know how to use it. It's very cool how you can pause and play the music on your headphones. That's how small it is. I'm trying to get it clear so you can see it. I haven't taken the paper off, the wrapping off of it. It's like a Christmas present. It's not even Christmas yet, but it will be soon. Anywho, that's me right there. Yep, I like it. Look at my dark hands, my brown hands. Excuse me, I haven't cut my nails yet. I have been very busy working on that. But anyways, let's get to it. Let's take it off here. You see that? I'm trying to peel it off. It was a struggle. I'm not gonna lie, I was struggling to take it off. I was getting kind of upset, but I didn't want to go crazy with it because I knew I was doing a video on YouTube, so I tried my best to do everything good on it. So here's me taking it off. Finally, took off the paper. Alright, let's go ahead and and this is the AirPod. It's pretty small. The charging unit, it's different. Type C. It's not like the old one that we had. Let me do a side-by-side comparison. Let me grab my old AirPods. I think it's the 2nd generation that I got down in Walmart like 2-3 years ago. But I'm replacing these because, I'll show you in a little bit the problem that I had with it. Unfortunately, I had a little incident one day. But here's me trying to fix my microphone. And this is when I found out that my microphone wasn't working. It wasn't recording good. I have to do this voiceover again. Anyways, that's the old AirPod. That's the case to it. That's how old it is. That's how beat it is. Like it was time for a new one. Yeah, don't judge me. Don't get me in the comments that it's dirty, that I haven't cleaned it. I have cleaned them, but it's just, they get dirty quickly. I work construction. I get dirty every day. Anyways, side by side, the 2nd it's pretty big, and the 4th is small. And when you open them up, you see how nice they look. The difference in the headphone size. The second generation, the stem is bigger than the 4th generation. I'll show you. It's very nice, clean. I wanted to get it engraved right there. You see me showing you right there. I wanted to put my name on it and engrave it, but when I called the Apple store, they said that they would have to send it to me, and I wasn't really trying to wait. I'm very impatient with my stuff, so I was like, you know what, let me just go and get it. I'll engrave it later. But anyways, that's how it looks like. You see how small the stem is? Let me focus on it. Yep, there it is. Yeah, that's a pretty nice headphone. And let me show you the other dirty one. Don't judge me. Once again, side by side, I'd say, the 4th generation is very nice, very slick. It's very clear. I put it in my ear right here, and I was going to show you guys, but, my dogs kept, playing around, horse playing and whatnot, and I had to correct them every 5 seconds. So, yep, thank you for watching my video.
Stop your rumors. I stay on track like a box of boomers. I just rock with Junior. I am the little big cause we take it over. One city at a time.